$7 right now. Today's episode, volcanoes. See you guys then.
We have here in Mexico City, close to Mexico City, two volcanoes, the Popocatépetl and the Iztaccíhuatl. We are going to the Iztaccíhuatl volcano today. Okay, to the Iztaccíhuatl volcano we also call him the Sleeping Lady. Okay, later when we are close to the volcano, you're gonna see that volcano have the figure like a sleeping lady.
Alright, what is going on? This is a quick stop before we head up. We are now pretty close. See this mountain? That's where we're gonna head up. See the other mountain? This is like the one that's pretty dangerous, so we don't want to go up there. But I want to show you guys something really cool. I'm not super sure how high we are, but it's like forming ice. And you would have like small little cars. So here I'm in the sun, right? No ice, right? And then when there's a bush covering the sun, there's the ice. What? And then I feel so out of breath. Just why I think we're really high. Alright, we're gonna head up to the top right now. I have had a like really bad reaction last time. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this time.
To this place we call it La Joya. The first portillo, the place we're gonna reach. It's over there in the top.
That is where we came from. That is where we going. 4,500? I think, yeah? Kevin? 4,500?
200.
200?
Yeah, 4,200.
4,200 here. What is going on, guys? I've made it to the first stop. You can see our volcano. What's the volcano called?
Popocatépetl.
This volcano.
Popocatépetl.
Popocatépetl.
Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah. But the second mount is over there. The view here is amazing though. So with nature. I am one with nature. Oh.
We are the road and the reckless, so come along and be left behind. We got the dream infectious.
It's around 12 right now. We're heading down. The mountain is still very amazing. Let me just give you a little pan now. Oh man, we're above the clouds. Oh, it's a very steep mountain. But it was something. Today I did something. See you guys in a bit.
You do a video blog or something?
Alright, what is going on? We on the bus now. And we are heading back.
It might leave you blind.
to be in my video? This is my best friend.
Vive.
And she's from Belgium. Yeah.